Today I want to share with you a recipe that my family really loves. It's simple, it doesn't take any eggs. Some people call it Mexican wedding cookies. We also call it pecan butterballs. And the first thing you do is you take a cup of pecans and I'm going to put it in a pan. I'm going to spread it around and I'm going to put it in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes and let it brown a little bit and cook a little bit, and then we'll take them out and we're going to be chopping them very finely. So as I have the pecans toasting in the oven, I'm going to get started with the cookies. What I'm going to do is take a ½ pound of butter, that is 2 sticks. I have softened this to room temperature and I'm going to add it to my mixing bowl. And to that, I'm going to take 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. I don't like a lot of salt, so I do use unsalted butter also. And to this, I'm gonna add ½ cup of powdered sugar. Now I like to turn my mixer off so that it doesn't get all over the place. And I'm gonna go ahead, just to make it easier, and add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Again, I like to do a pretty heavy pour when I do vanilla, just love the flavor. And I'm gonna do this until it gets fluffy. I'm just gonna let it go until it gets fluffy. I'm turning it off and scraping the sides so that everything is mixed well. It is starting to get fluffy, but I want everything to be mixed well. So I took the pecans out of the oven and they've been toasted. I'm gonna let them cool. So I took the pecans and I transferred them to a bowl to make it easier to put in the grinder. There are 2 levels on my grinder, a coarse and a fine. I'm supposed to make these fine. I'm going to pour them into my grinder. Know which way I need to do it, which is this way. Again, I want this to be a finely ground pecan. I want you to know I love my grinder, use it for all sorts of things. So now I'm going to add my pecans to my mixture. And make sure it gets totally mixed in together. Again, I like to be sure that I have scraped my bowl. So I've done that. And the next thing we're going to add is flour that you sift. If you don't have one of these, I have done it before with a sieve and I've just put the flour in and hit it on the side. So don't be dismayed if you don't have one. But this is 2 cups of flour that I'm adding. I like to put the towel on top of my mixer so I don't get flour all over the place. It's as easy as that. The next step, make these into cookie balls. How fun is that? It's done. Now my recipe calls for a buttered cookie sheet, but I do like to use silicone mats instead of butter. It just makes my life easier. What you do now is just take these and make them into about 1.5 to 1 inch balls, and you are just now making your cookies. So I'm making these into about 1 inch balls, and I'm gonna do 2 pans. You should do 1 pan per oven, so 1 at a time. You do want to do your pan in the top 1/3 of the oven, and it will cook for 12 to 15 minutes depending upon your oven. Halfway through, you do want to take your cookies and turn the pan so that they are evenly baked. So that's been about 6 minutes. I'm going to rotate the cookie sheet so that we get even cooking for all the cookies. So the first pan of cookies is ready. I'm going to let them sit a while so that they harden and it becomes easy to take off. I will transfer them to the cooling rack and let them really cool. Our next step will be that we're gonna roll them in powdered sugar. One thing that I have learned is you don't want these to cook too long because they can get dried out. I'm gonna show you. On the bottom of the cookie, it's not really dark brown. It's just perfect. So while it may not look cooked on top, they are hard and they are perfect and easy to take off. And you can see why I do like this silicone sheet. It makes it very easy to take off. So I made about 4 dozen cookies and I've let them cool. And the next step that it says to do is to take your cookies and then to roll it in some powdered sugar. Just want to say that's not enough for me. So what I do is I take a container that's filled with powdered sugar and I start adding cookies to them, and then I let the cookies sit there, and that's how I store them until they're eaten. And I learned this trick from my mother-in-law. Kind of like a treasure hunt. And these cookies, as easy as they are great to do with children. Something fun to do. Again, no eggs, and just a fun way to have an activity with the kids. These are some of my favorite cookies. I know no chocolate, but I love them. Hope you enjoy.